Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 12 things to avoid before a doctor's appointment. We do have a doctor's appointments every once in a while, don't we? But, have you ever thought of the things that you aren't supposed to do before a doctor's appointment? Chances are that unless we are instructed, we tend to do a lot of mistakes. If you are here confused about what should be done and what shouldn't be, we have some insights to share. It is not just the doctor's appointment, but it is also important that you avoid doing them before getting your blood tests done too. Avoid drinking coffee. For a doctor's appointment, you would want to prevent drinking coffee early on, especially within a few-hour mark, because the caffeine ends up exciting the cells which give wrong readings. Avoid consuming a high-fat meal before blood tests. Blood tests are subject to your lifestyle, which is the reason why it is very important that you avoid consuming high-fat meals before the test, as it enhances the cholesterol levels in the blood. Avoid alcohol before a cholesterol test. Alcohol does no good for your body, and if you specifically do have a cholesterol test that needs to be done the next morning, we would suggest that you avoid consuming alcohol altogether for good. Avoid being dehydrated. Irrespective of whether you are seeing a doctor directly or need to get some tests done, it is important that you do avoid being dehydrated because that can alter the overall health. Don't do drastic changes to the diet. One of the most important things that you need to avoid doing is introducing drastic changes to your diet and lifestyle. Introducing sudden changes often end up causing fluctuations in results. Avoid cold medicine before appointment. When you are visiting a doctor with the cold and flu complaints, it is important that the doctor looks through the symptoms you are experiencing. The cold medicine can suppress those symptoms. Avoid getting mani and PD done. This is specifically important for those visiting a dermatologist. If you have been experiencing something very severe, chances are that the doctor will check your nails for symptoms too. Avoid canceling gynecologist appointment. It is a myth that you need to cancel a gynecologist appointment if you are on your periods. Chances are that the doctor will suggest you get the tests done later, but that's about it. How many of these didn't you know of? It is very important that you ask the doctor or even the lab person of the restrictions before an appointment or when you have some tests that need to be done. Join our WhatsApp subscription for the latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.